Meet director and athletes liaison for the Jamaica International Invitational, Quarrie, is questioning the way in which this year's meet was cancelled. Quarrie says the meet was cancelled without him being made aware. On Tuesday, April 26, TVJ Sports reported that the 2022 staging of the Jamaica International Invitational meet was cancelled. The meet, which is a World Athletics World Challenge event, was scheduled to be held on May 7 at the National Stadium. It marked the fourth straight year that the meet was being cancelled. Regarding the cancellation of the meet, which comes under the auspices of the JIIs, President Garth Gale was only willing to divulge that the association was informed by the organizers in writing that the meet would not be held this year. But meet director and athletes liaison Quarrie is questioning how the meet was cancelled. Quarrie says he was not aware of the meet being cancelled until almost a month after the decision was made.
So the meet was cancelled. I had no idea because the director of competition of NACA told me it was officially cancelled on the 19th of March. And then when I got in touch with NACA on the 9th of April, it was a little bit strange that I'm the meet director. We all are supposed to make a decision regarding the cancellation of the meet or if we're going to have the meet. And I'm hearing now that the meet is cancelled.
Quarrie says he had written to members of the organizing committee on March 15 requesting a Zoom meeting to discuss the staging of the meet, which had looked uncertain at that point. He says only Gale responded, noting he was traveling. The 1976 Olympic 200-meter champion says he was taken aback by Gale's comments regarding the cancellation of the meet on TVJ Sports, as well as the action of chairman of the organizing committee, Dr. Warren Blake.
To my surprise, he said he was speaking as the president of JII, but Garth is also a member of the organizing committee. So I would like to know what happened. Then I received an email from Dr. Warren Blake on the 22nd of April, which apparently went out on the 18th because he said, unfortunately, my email bounced. And that can happen. I'm not saying that didn't. Receiving an email to say that the meet is officially cancelled.
The cancellation of the meet took place while Quarrie was still in talks with agents and athletes about competing at this year's meet. So, this question was posed to the 71-year-old track and field legend.
And is it that you sense that there might be something sinister at play?
Well, you said it. I didn't. But I hope that's not the case. Because technically, those things, they can't do anything to me. The main thing is the professionalism was not displayed and incompetence was displayed.
Quarrie says he's yet to have any official word with either Gale or Blake. The JII meet, which began in 2004, was last staged in 2018.